So on Coco the Discord server, we have this section where you can ask any questions regarding game development. Here are some basic tips to make sure your help request will be answered quickly. First, use correct channel. We have a lot of great places to talk about game development and even to share your own games. But if you like to ask for help, use one of those free channels for Unity UI, PlayFab and other topics. Second, describe your problem. For once in a while, we are getting messages like "Help, my game is not working." Messages like this do not provide enough information to help you. Try to describe the issue and tell others what error code is showing up. If you have already done some troubleshooting, detail what steps have you made and what tutorial have you followed. Third, paste in your code. Discord offers a simple way to paste in your code by using these symbols. You can probably find them here or here on the keyboard. Just type 3 of them at the start and at the end of your code block. If you'll add a CS, which stands for C#, at the beginning, a whole code will be nicely colored. You can also paste a screenshot, but please include a line numbers to easily discuss your code. The last tip will be to be patient and don't ping others. Pinging random people may discourage them from helping you. If your problem is complicated, spend waiting time for more in-depth issue description with the screenshots. I hope those 4 simple steps will help you to get answers to your questions much quicker. Find a link to our Discord server in the description and join the fun. Good luck, game developers!